I chose to go into medicine because when I was 18, I went into the Navy instead of going to college, and the field I went into was medicine as a corpsman, and I was assigned to the 1st Marine Division for 2 years, and then I was in aviation medicine. I love internal medicine because of the complexity of it. You have such a mixture of different processes ongoing, including treating disease, but also the complexity of the human psyche. I think the best part of working with my patients is, I hate to sound stereotyped, but just getting to know them and getting to know their personalities. Anytime a person first comes into the office, it's kind of a situation where you don't know each other, but you develop that pattern of trust over time. The typical type of patients I see in internal medicine practice is a broad spectrum. I, as an internist, can see patients that walk in, unfortunately, for the first time with malignancies that I have to diagnose, and carry over patients from other specialties that need to have a primary provider. So I'm very capable of treating complex issues, but I also consider myself more of a pattern of a family doctor. I really enjoy getting to know patients through their families, and I have a lot of references from other family members for new patients to come in and see me. So I've been practicing for over 20 years. I have come from previous practices. The last one was 12 years, where I had an exceptionally busy practice, and coming to this practice, it's much more laid back. I have the opportunity to spend a fair amount of time with my patients, which is very enjoyable. I only see so many patients based on the day, and I also have the opportunities to enjoy talking to them more than I ever had before in this practice. After I left the military as a doctor, I went straight into general internal medicine, so I have a lot of interest in things such as asthma.